Thank you again. We just want to continue from where we stopped in the last video. If you are new here, my name is Joseph. I am a Microsoft certified trainer. So we have been focused on how to understand the elementary and into the advanced state of M365. So in the last video, we were able to look at something around settings, right? And we looked at the domain and all of that. And then we got to this point and I said that we're going to continue from setup. So this is what we want to look at. And in the next video, we're going to look at report and then look at health. So for setup, this is what actually gives you suggestions on what you need to do to optimize your license. Okay, so this is reading here that you should get the most of your M365 business premium subscription by installing the Office app, adding users, assigning license, the group guided, and all of those. So this is just telling you how to do that. Based on your license, you can actually install the Office application. So this is just one of it. Then coming down here, you also have featured collaboration that comes with your license, okay? And one of it is Microsoft Viva. Of course, you can check about Microsoft Viva. Is very, very important Microsoft service that actually integrates all other services that create like a bridge between the employees and the CEOs. They can be knowledge sharing, about using the Microsoft Viva. So if you look at it, there's another point here that I try to explain to you that actions to help you organizations stay safe and productive while working remotely. So this is actually, you may click to learn more about whatever that is suggested, and some of them have videos that you could even watch. This is saying this set of action can help you organize, stay safe, secure, and productive as you adapt to increasingly remote workspace, right? Watch this video for an overview of remote work essential, then complete the list action. So this is like the setup is actually suggesting to you what exactly you need to do, right? So let me just try to play this. So just bear with me. The next voice you hear is from Microsoft, just so you can hear what was suggested to you. Let me allow the audio. Okay.
With Microsoft 365, you can manage your business, your employees, and your customers online. Let's take a look. To get started, have everyone install Teams on their devices. With Teams, you can see who's free, send instant messages, post announcements, share files, and hold meetings. You can also make Teams calls between devices. When you're ready, invite your customers to Teams so you can collaborate with them in real time. Your customers can join the team from a browser without installing additional software. We recommend that you store business documents in the cloud, using OneDrive for personal files and SharePoint for team or shared files. This makes sure everyone has access to important business files at all times. Your documents will also be more secure in the Microsoft Cloud, and you can retrieve them, even if something happens to your devices. Make sure you use your website or social media to keep your customers updated. And make sure they know how to reach you. For example, use Microsoft Forms to collect their questions and Microsoft Bookings to schedule appointments or consultations. The best way to protect your business and customers is to use a second form of authentication when signing in. Also, make sure your devices are updated, password protected, and running security software like Windows Defender. Make sure home networks are password protected, and use a virtual private network or VPN when using public Wi-Fi. Lastly, practice safe computer use by not clicking on links or opening files sent from unknown sources. And never share personal, financial, or sensitive business information. Learn more about remote work, security, and the cloud with Microsoft 365 for Business.
So what I'm trying to say is you can watch a lot of videos that will suggest to you the actions you need to carry out on your tenant just so you can have the maximum usage of your license and your presence in M365. Microsoft has a very rich and robust explanations on a lot of things. The same thing is also available in Microsoft Viva, so you can try this out just so you can watch those videos and try to understand what is being set up for you, and then you can click to start what is available on setup. Right after suggesting to you, you can choose to follow the instruction if you have not done so. So some of the major things that I have not done that have been suggested to me to do, I can scroll down on the setup here to see what and where those things are. It is saying that add or sync users to your Microsoft accounts. I don't have on-prem, so this is actually grayed out. So your journey to the cloud starts with your users and getting them, what's there, let's scroll to this side, getting their account into M365. Of course, this is a pure online account. So configure multi-factor authentication that was set there to you for protecting your users, to give them second layer of security regarding the signing to their tenants. I have not enabled it, and it is showing here for me that it is not checked, so not yet started. So I can click here to start enabling my MFA, right? So provide an additional layer of security for sign in using multi-factor authentication to access company resource. So this is actually telling me a lot of things about setup. Now it's telling me that let users reset their password. I have not done that, so I can actually set it that users should be able to reset their password. And what's the advantage that Microsoft is telling me that is going to bring to my tenants? That will reduce my support cost by allowing users to register for self-service password reset. This is called SSPR. So it's encouraging me to enable SSPR so that I can reduce the amount I spend on supports for those that are supporting users to set their password, like the help desk administrator. Now looking at it, right, it also telling me that limited admin to the access they need. I mean, limit admins to access they need. Now look at it. It is also describing here for you that limit risk of your organization by reassigning some global admin to more limited admin role, removing access to critical features that they do not need. Remember, in one of the videos earlier, I explained to you that the global admin is actually twice targeted because he has access to everything. And we said, do not have just one global admin, have at least two, but a maximum of four, because of the effect that it can have in your tenant if a global admin account is compromised. Now here is set password never to expire. Because it is recommended by Microsoft, in the last video you would see this, that yes, we could actually set the password expiration time to a specific period, and Microsoft recommend you to leave it at never to expire. So I have done that, so it checked it for me to be green. Right now, setting password to never expire is more secure and leads to fewer work stoppage, right? So it's just trying to give you advantage. Now coming down here, it also telling us about apps and emails. Get fast secure emails is just giving us, then get features update for Microsoft 365 every month. I have also enabled that and it is green for me. So this particular setup is just telling you what you need to do. Use content AI with Microsoft syntax and all of this. So it's just telling me what I need to do to optimize my tenant. So you can come here, right? Just play around it, check what you need to check, set what you have not set already, got to watch the videos about what you need to do, just so you can maximize your M365 space. So we are going straight to reports after this video, and I hope that you will find report also interesting. I will see you in the next video. If you know you've not subscribed to this channel, please do, because that's a way to encourage me to do more of this content, right? Especially for beginners. This also you should not skip, okay? Share this with your friend, because the request for M365 experts is actually on the increase, and videos like this can be very helpful to you. Thank you, and I hope that we are going to do a great stuff together in the future. Have a great day, and